Ever wondered what your city looked like decades ago? Or how the world has transformed over time? Google's new AI time machine might just be the key to visualizing those changes with the click of a button. Let's explore how this mind-blowing tech works. In today's video, we'll be diving into Google's latest AI innovation, its groundbreaking AI time machine. This powerful tool takes us back in time, showcasing how cities and landscapes have evolved over the years, starting from 1984 and continuing through to 2022. We'll walk you through how it works, some exciting examples, and how this tech could change how we view our world. So buckle up because time travel, AI style, starts now. Google's AI time machine is built on the Google Earth time-lapse project, which uses millions of satellite images to create interactive visual timelines. So how does it work? It boils down to a few key components that help bring the past into sharp focus. First, the system taps into satellite data from as far back as 1984. By pulling from decades of archived imagery, Google's AI reconstructs snapshots of Earth across different time periods, allowing you to zoom in on specific locations and watch their transformation over nearly 40 years. It's almost like flipping through a historical photo album of the planet. But it doesn't just stop at collecting images. The AI time machine uses sophisticated machine learning algorithms to smooth out inconsistencies, filling gaps when certain data is missing or incomplete. It's especially impressive when dealing with cloud-covered areas or periods where satellite coverage was sparse. The AI looks at the patterns of land use, urban expansion, and environmental change to recreate the most likely picture for any missing years. This is particularly useful in regions where rapid development or climate events like deforestation are happening. Next, artificial intelligence steps in to enhance these visuals. The AI doesn't just stitch together a series of random images. It analyzes changes in the landscape, recognizing patterns in urban growth, deforestation, or natural events like volcanic eruptions. Through this process, the tool can intelligently fill in gaps, especially when data from some years is incomplete due to factors like cloud cover. It's this AI-driven ability to smooth out the timeline that gives the time machine its precision and immersive feel. The AI not only predicts these changes, but uses statistical models to cross-check data from previous and following years. This means that even if satellite images from one particular year are unclear, the AI uses trends from earlier or later data to fill in those missing pieces. This ensures the most accurate possible reconstruction of historical visuals, a step forward from traditional methods of historical mapping. And finally, all this comes together through Google Earth's interactive interface. You can scroll through time by simply dragging a slider across the screen, watching the landscape evolve as you move from year to year. Whether you're looking at a bustling city or a remote forest, Google's interface makes it easy to zoom in on details and even compare different periods side by side. One of the best features is its ability to let users explore regions on a local, national, or even global scale. You're not limited to just zooming in on cities. You can look at entire ecosystems, monitor desert expansions, or track the regrowth of certain forests. The AI tool opens up a whole new world for environmentalists, city planners, and even educators looking to offer an immersive learning experience. Now let's talk about some real-world examples. Take Dubai, for instance. If you've ever been fascinated by how quickly this city rose from the desert, the AI time machine lets you experience that transformation firsthand. Starting in 1984, you'll see a vast desert landscape. Fast forward through the decades, and you can witness skyscrapers like the Burj Khalifa piercing the sky as the city expands rapidly. It's one of the most dramatic urban transformations, and Google's tool gives you a front-row seat to it. Or consider the Amazon rainforest, where deforestation has had a profound impact. You can travel back to the mid-80s when large swaths of the rainforest were still intact, and then watch as human activities steadily reduce the greenery, making way for farmland and urban areas. This isn't just a history lesson. It's a sobering reminder of the environmental changes happening around us. For example, you can compare the lush greenery of the Amazon from the mid-1980s with its current state. By observing year-by-year changes, it becomes clear just how extensive deforestation has become. But it doesn't stop there. The tool even predicts what the landscape might look like in the near future based on current trends, allowing us to anticipate environmental disasters and, ideally, prevent them. In the US, you can explore San Francisco's transformation over the years. From the expansion of urban areas to the rise of the Silicon Valley tech hubs, you can see how this city has grown and adapted to new challenges, including rising sea levels. The tool not only offers a historical view, but can also project forward by showing trends that may help urban planners and scientists predict future developments. In addition to urban growth, San Francisco's tech hubs such as Silicon Valley have seen rapid expansion over the decades. The AI time machine provides insight into the city's infrastructure development, helping urban planners project future changes such as housing demands, and offers invaluable data to forecast how rising sea levels might affect coastal cities. In this way, it could even assist with future disaster preparedness and sustainability initiatives. Google's AI time machine isn't just a cool novelty, it's a technological breakthrough with real-world applications. For urban planners, this tool offers a way to visualize how cities might expand in the future based on past growth trends. It also serves as a powerful educational tool, allowing schools and universities to bring geography, history, and environmental science to life. Researchers and policymakers can use it to track climate change over time, analyzing how melting glaciers or rising sea levels are affecting specific regions. What's fascinating about this AI-driven innovation is how it blends machine learning, satellite imagery, and advanced data analysis into a single, intuitive platform. It isn't just a tool to look back at how the world has changed. It's also a glimpse into how AI can help us shape what comes next. By filling in gaps and making accurate predictions, it allows us to interact with time itself in a way that was previously unimaginable. Whether you're fascinated by technological advancement, passionate about environmental issues, or simply curious about the world, this tool opens up new ways of understanding both our past and our future. Google's AI time machine offers us an unprecedented look at how the world has changed over the last 40 years. Whether you're a tech enthusiast eager to see AI in action, or someone curious about how our cities and landscapes have evolved, this tool is a must-explore. It's not just a window into the past, it's a lens into the future. So, where will you time travel first? If you're as excited about AI and time travel as we are, make sure to subscribe for more tech content. Leave a comment below. What city or place are you most excited to explore with Google's AI time machine? And don't forget to share this video with your fellow tech enthusiasts.